I think like many other companies, what happens is that you change some direction as you advance, but more so I think that the year has given us the time and opportunity to dig deeper and cover even more so of our vision and mission and what we were standing out to do. Kaltura came out on September 07 at TechCrunch with an amazing demo of collaborative video producing, which enabled people to see how people could peer produce video together and collaborate by way of rich media. We were coined Wiki meets YouTube insofar as peer production meets video. And for that we had received the People's Choice Award last year. What we have done through the course of the year, as we had promised that we would do, was extend that beyond the application demo that we've done in our site, Kaltura.com, to a platform that enables any other site out there to use, customize for their own specific usages for collaboration. But beyond that, we took a step further and brought up the collaboration aspect from the end content to the actual application layer and open up a very heavy API that enables third-party developers, value-added resellers, integrators, and end publishers to create applications for video using our open source stack. We have gotten deeper into the open source world and are very short now in the next couple of months from launching the complete package by way of open source, both the back end and the front end, that would basically enable any publisher, integrator, value-added reseller to offer video solutions and applications for a site with a complete back end and front end using our platform. And the vision, if you may, is similar to what MySQL has done compared to Oracle, or compared to what Zimbra or JBoss or any other open source company has done compared to a proprietary solution, to do the same in the video realm. There has been no company to do so till now. We think the market is ripe. We think that we could spur innovation around different applications that could be created, dramatically reduce the price associated with that. And as the market becomes a commodity and we see many proprietary companies fighting on the concept of who's going to use their services, really go from the other side and say it's for everybody to use, and we will go down the open source collaborative route of doing so.
So I know that you guys were, you had partnered with the Wikimedia Foundation and that your video platform was going to be used on Wikipedia. Where are you in that process? When will that be sort of launched in a mainstream way on Wikipedia?
Well, there's nothing specific to announce other than that we have been in continued work with the guys at the foundation to best see how our tools could be fitting from various angles. Number one, of course, to make sure that they're completely in line with the greatest needs of the open source world. Wikipedia and all the projects in the foundation have rightfully been very specific about the need for everything to be completely open source. One of the challenges and the opportunities that we've been looking together with them is, for example, how to go around aspects like Flash, which is not yet complete open source, and we're providing an alternative for that. And learning with the foundation and the community behind it, what are the requirements, what are the needs, as well as improving the user interface and the graphic interface to best support a site like Wikipedia. Must acknowledge that with about 210 million unique viewers or so, the 5th largest site in the world, there's a lot of people there and a lot of wonderful content created there. And the only way in which we will help the foundation provide video tools is if it's done the professional way, the right way, the best way, to really tap into the wisdom of the crowd by way of video. And until such time as we're sure that that could happen, it would not be done. And in any case, the foundation is the one to make the decision and are the ones to decide how and what that would be incorporated. And we are there aligned with our mission to best provide open source tools that would do so by way of video. And I could say we've had a tremendous partnership, very close working relations, and we've been stout supporters, both financially and development-wise, to make this vision a reality. And starting with Wikipedia as one example, but going to a lot of other sites, whether be them wiki or not wiki, to promote this concept of collaborative video.